Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So we put the power number 3 for the both sides to cancel about the cube root. Because we have x in here, so I will put number 10 go to the left. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 3u squared. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have number 1. This one we change for u. X we change for this one. The x we change for this one. So number 3 I will put outside u and u squared, we have u to the power of 3. So this one multiplied by this one and number 10. And now we have the formula in here. So we put number 6 go on here. So 6 plus 1 we have number 7. And number 3 I will put in here, so we have number 4. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.